with our pledge.
Kailangan dapat tahimik dito.
Huwag mo ito maingay.
Maraming...
Galing. What do you do?
Good day, Your Honor, and all who are in this courtroom. State your full name, your job, and your
Ay, wala na dito sa sinabi mo. Balik ka doon. Hindi namin naman kung Mr. Mariano, mukha kang inyong ayan, magkabaran. Mukha kang third ninyo ay may hangover. Mairaos na lang ang jersey. Masakit pa yung lalamunan niya pag inom. Uy!
Lapit ka sa kanya. Huwag ka sa maingay.
Maingay! Makulit daw.
State your full name, your job, and your
Malikot naman. Kamay mo.
Are you aware that Mr. Giancarlo is accusing you for killing one of his colleagues, Mr. Ray Alan Barcelona, on November 28, 2008?
Your Honor, my client, the accused, is exhausted from the long rides and walk as she parked here in this courtroom. May she rest for a while?
Request me.
No. Yes, mo! Alam mo, bibigyan ka na masasabay dyan. Yes, mo! Tigasan mo pa!
Tigasan mo.
Alam mo, ikaw ang load na Palipas, hindi ka tinitigasan.
Request being granted. The accused may now leave the witness stand and take arrest as we continue our procedure.
Yan, dinedetect ko.
But Your Honor, the full questioning is not yet started.
Overruled.
Hoy,
Let the accused take his rest. The accused stood up, thanked the judge, looked to the prosecutor, and all inside the room.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor. As my client is resting, I take this opportunity to present to you a couple of witnesses on behalf of my client to prove to this courtroom that Ms. Lizette Brugusto is innocent and has nothing to do with the murder and disease. Right?
batuan.
May I call on to Mr. Miranda on the witness stand.
Mukha talaga siyang pusher eh. Ganda kang pumili.
Pusher sa mga tao.
So,
Tingnan ko lang, pero titingnan ko ang ginagawa mo. Why? Yes.
state your full name, please.
My name is Giancarlo.
May pusher, huwag ka magpakit dyan ah.
My name is Giancarlo Argrana.
Age.
Car.
14.
Nasaan ka nung gabi yun
No?
na December 28, 2008? ikaw na.
Ikaw din eh.